Welcome back to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest and greatest in tech and home gadgets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, an intriguing 6-in-1 indoor electric grill and air fryer. This appliance aims to bring outdoor grilling flavor indoors with added versatility. Let's dive into the core cooking capabilities of the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. The grilling performance looks strong, utilizing cyclonic technology and 500-degree cyclonic air to char-grill food evenly indoors and deliver those. Its multifunctionality is a standout feature, combining 6 cooking methods like grilling, air frying, roasting, and dehydrating into a single. The inclusion of the Smart Cook system with its dual-sensor thermometer, protein presets, and doneness levels promises to eliminate guesswork. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill truly shines in its core cooking functions, delivering impressive grilling. Now we're focusing on the practical side of owning the Ninja Foodi Smart XL. This unit offers impressive XL capacity, allowing you to cook for a family, but its substantial dimensions and weight mean cleanup appears straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts, a splatter shield, and a cleaning brush included, which helps maintain a cleaner kitchen. At nearly $280, it's a significant investment for a countertop appliance, though its extensive 6-in-1 versatility could justify the cost. The Ninja Foodi grill provides generous cooking capacity and convenient cleanup, yet its considerable size. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill offers an impressive array of cooking functions in one device, making it a powerful contender for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen capabilities. Its smart thermometer and smoke control are particularly strong features, promising excellent results without the mess.